Alright. What time is it? Like 10 something? Okay. I don't know. I'm really scared. I don't want to break it.
It's 11:29.
Alright, ready?
10:07.
Wait. 10. Wait.
10:07. 11.
Wait, here we go. Here we go. How do you do it? You just gotta try to get your crotch up there. Go, Boots, go. Oh, look at you try. Come on. Chicken. Keep it going. Alright, you just get a little bit of twinkle so it's going, and you just go. Jump shots. I can't really get up that high. Of course it's so fast. Crotch, crotch.